Good morning, good morning, my dear learners. Today we're going to have the f as in fire and v as in vase pronunciation drill. Let's now start with the word drill. Repeat after me. As in fire, as in fire. Forest, forest. Fairy, fairy. As in fire. Wife, wife. Falls, falls. V as in vase, v as in vase. River, river. Have, have. Silver, silver. Never, never. Now let's proceed to the phrase drill. Repeat after me. Free vacuum, free vacuum, free vacuum. Very friendly, very friendly, very friendly. Voracious fish, voracious fish. Let's proceed to the sentence drill of f as in fire. Fairy, fairy, no fret and fair. Find me a love who'll give me silver and dove. Fairy, fairy, no fret and fair. Let's now have the v as in vase. Vivian, Valerie, and Virginia verbally voiced vivid salvos. Vivian, Valerie, and Virginia verbally voiced vivid salvos. Now let's proceed with sight words. Repeat after me. Best, best. Because, because. Goes, goes. Wash, wash. That's all for our pronunciation drill. See you online!